Welcome everybody to Average Kitchen Eats. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest basmati rice. No measuring rice, no measuring of water, no more 5-minute rice. Let's get into it. Okay, we're going to start by obviously get your rice, put it in a bowl, much as you want. I don't know how much I have in here, but then you're going to want to rinse it. So just put some water in it like this, mix it around. You see, you want to clean that off. I'm just going to do this probably, 3 or 4 times. Just move it around. Drain it off to get the starch and everything off. Keep going. As I'm doing this, you'll see it's getting less cloudy. You can just massage it in your hand, and that should be good there. There you go. Now you can let that sit for, on the bag it says 15 minutes. I do an hour, so I'll see you in an hour. All right, so what you have to do now is get yourself a big pot or dipper, whatever you want to call it. Fill it up with water. You can fill it all the way to the top. It really doesn't matter, just fill it up. You're gonna add in your salt. Just do it to taste. You're going to put in some butter. Some people use oil. I don't personally like using oil. You can. And I'm going to add some ground turmeric. This is going to make your rice yellow. Just add a little bit in there. Orangey yellow. It'll look orange in the water. That's good. If you're doing fried rice or just plain rice, don't put turmeric in it obviously, and then put it in the fridge. Then you can use it the next day. So let's wait for this water to come to a boil, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, now you can see that the water in the pot has fully come up to a boil. So now you're just going to add your rice. It's okay if you get a little bit of water in. Just dump it all in. As much in as you can. Okay. Now just take a wooden spoon or whatever you want and just stir it around a little bit. You want to separate the grains. Okay. Do this like that. Now you can see how much water I have for the little bit of rice. It really doesn't matter, like I said. You can also use medium grain, long grain, short grain. Doesn't matter the size, doesn't matter the brand. This is going to work the same way. So now that I still have it on high heat, high setting on my stove, now we're going to let this come back up to a rigorous boil, and then I'll show you what's next after that. All right, now you can see that it's really come up to a rigorous boil. This is what you want. Make sure it's boiling like this. Now what you're going to do, you're going to turn the heat setting down to a medium-high heat, which on my old stove is about a 7. So you're just going to turn that down to a 7. And then set your timer for 5 minutes. And then you're just going to let this boil away. And then you're just about done. So let's see what it looks like in about 5 minutes. All right, now you can see this from the timer. It's about 30 seconds left. Now what I like to do is I like to put the burner right now. I turn it right down to low because you're going to need this in a minute. You can put it on low for the last 30 seconds. Let that go down in temperature. And then once this is done, we're going to bring it over to the sink. All right, like I said, I'm going to show you what's next. So now that you turned your temperature down to low, you're going to take your pot of rice and you're just going to dump it into this fine strainer. Okay, alrighty. Now we're going to take our rice and we're going to put it back into the pot. Just move it around like that. Okay. Now you're going to put a lid on, and now this is going to soak up any moisture that's left into the pot. We're going to put it back on that other burner that we turned on low, and we're going to do that for 5 more minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is up. Let's see what it looks like. So you can see that is perfect. Let's get it into the bowl. So there you have it. Perfect, easy basmati rice. Once you do this and you eat this, you'll never go back to the 5-minute rice. It's not as good. It doesn't taste as good. This is just way better. There you go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.